Hi, this is Collar from the Complete Trading Education. This is just an analysis for Netflix. Now, let's look at the monthly chart first. On the monthly chart, we can see that overall Netflix is in a strong bull trend ever since around about 2012. So 2012, we've seen a nice uptrend. So price back then was around $8.50 a share, and at the moment, the price is currently standing at $170 a share. And we know we're in an uptrend because we're seeing higher highs and higher lows. Now, let's look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart, we can clearly see that price is above the weekly 200 moving average, so the bias is up, and we have a green trend filter. So green trend filter indicating we have a strong uptrend and also above this 200 moving average line. So that gives us an indication that we only look for long opportunities. So we need the daily chart to be aligned. Now the daily chart is also above the 200 moving average, and the trend filter is also green. So that gives us the go ahead to look for long opportunities. So there's two ways around this. Either I'll start entering trades when price breaks out, or I can buy on this dip. So if you look previously, we had a pullback here, and if you'd bought around this area here, you would be a nice profit. So we're looking at for the same kind of opportunity. So if we draw a line here, we see that from this previous resistance, we now have an area of support. So that area of support is showing us that if price can hold above here, then we are good for long opportunities. So we should expect to see a continuation to the upside. So it's a nice way of getting in a trade early and cheaper. But if you want to be on the safe side, wait for breakouts. Another thing, price fell through the 20 moving average, which is sometimes used as support, but the next area of support is the 50 moving average, which is this red line here. Price hasn't quite come down to the area here, but it is in close proximity to that moving average. So now that price is at this area of support and near the 50 moving average, we can possibly expect strength to the upside. But if the sellers do force price below this line and also the moving average, then the next area of support will be the 200 moving average. One thing to look at is we have the $200 major figure not too far above price. So if you do enter here, expect some type of turbulence around here. Price might find it hard to break through this round number, but if you get in here, you should be risk free before that point. But if you're waiting for a breakout, you may as well wait for price to clear this area here, because this is expected to be a strong area of resistance. Wait for that area to be cleared and then look to trade Netflix.